Today I want to show you the ESR 3-in-1 wireless charging set. It's designed for an iPhone because it has a MagSafe charger here, but you could use it with Android phones if you have a case on the back that has MagSafe capability. But we're going to take a look at it with an iPhone. So what you get is you get the charger here, the charger base. It has a USB-C connection on the back, and it has another one right here for an included Apple Watch charger that's portable. You can take this with you when you go on vacation, and it has a cool little magnetic cover for the USB-C connector here. So all you have to do is just plug it into the back of the ESR charging base like that. And if you're wondering about this little cover, you're going to lose it. Nope, it is magnetically attached to the back there. So this is what it looks like to the side. And as you can see, there is a pad below that will charge your Apple AirPods. Just like that, you stick it on there. Now this charger also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. And all you have to do is just unravel it here, and it comes with an AC adapter, which is very nice. Plug your USB-C cable in one end, plug it in the back here, like so, and then plug it into an empty plug. And there you go. Is that turned on? And now you're ready to start charging. So let's put the Apple AirPods on here. And I don't know if you can see that through the video, but it just lit up to show that it's charging. Now I'm going to take my Apple Watch, and I'm going to put it on the back here. And as you can see, it started charging. Now I'm going to put my iPhone on the MagSafe charger. And it starts charging too. So you have three things that are charging at once. It's got 15 watts. It's really nice looking. It's sturdy. It has a heavy, sturdy base so that I can remove my iPhone when I want to without having to hold on to the base. So it's really nice. You can see it started charging again. If I take the Apple AirPods off and I put them back on, it starts charging again. If you take the iPhone off, the Apple Watch off, put it back on here, it starts charging again. Everything is charging at the same time. Super nice. Really like it. Definitely worth a look.